So Polly's Beauty Supply sells brand A shampoo by the pint and B by the ounce. So we need the total cost to buy one of each. So we're ultimately asking for A plus B without tax. And luckily it looks like both of the statements exclude sales tax as well. So tax is just not a factor, even though they keep mentioning it. Statement 1 tells us that 9 of A plus 3 of B comes out to be $204. That's one linear equation for two variables, so that's not going to be sufficient on its own. Remember, you need the same number of equations as you have variables if you're trying to solve for one of those variables. So it's not this and it's not this. Statement 2 tells us that 8A plus 6B equals 248. Again, that's one equation for two variables, so it can't be statement 2 on its own. Insufficient. In conjunction, we have two distinct linear equations. We can tell they're distinct because what we ultimately want to do is we'd take 8A plus 6B equals 248, and we would take the second equation and multiply it times 2 so that the b's cancel out. So this would be, 9A, or sorry, it'd be 18A plus 6B equals 408. And then we'd want to subtract the top one from the bottom one, and we'd get some numbers, solve for A, plug it back in, find B, and then we would figure out A plus B. We don't actually want to do this. This isn't a problem-solving question, but we know that we could at this point because it's now familiar territory. Anyway, both statements together are sufficient even though individually they don't give us what we need. Answer choice C.